Name is Navin Kumar. Today I am going to discuss about for each loop. For each loop mainly used for iterating over an array, and it does not return any value, and it does not modify the original array. And for each loop is nothing but built-in higher order function in JavaScript. Means higher order function is nothing but which takes one function as an input and returns new enhanced component, new function. So here I am declaring an array with a constant array with fixed length. With the name of an array I am iterating using for each loop. For each loop will take three parameters. One is element, current element, and index, and total array. If you want to print, you can pass those that parameter. And here index and array will be optional, but names will be mandatory if you want, because for iterating an array, element parameter must be mandatory. So with the help of console.log I am printing. So to run any JavaScript file without help of browser, so you need to install Node.js, and you need to navigate the current folder, the file which presents. So I'm in array iteration methods. In that for each loop is present. So node with the help of command node file name .js. File name is for each .js. So if you see here index, how many are there index? From 0, index starts from 0 1 2 3. So here index 0 1 2 3, and array name first Naveen Ramesh. So output will be like this, and after here array place we are printing total array. If you see Naveen Ramesh Suresh Subhas, that's it.